Fonzie here from Motorsport Australia Speed. What we've got today here is a Harrop 2300 given to us to sort out. It's got a massive cam. It's probably not what we'd normally, definitely wouldn't recommend, but the owner had a big cam in it. Very hard to tune in this model car. So what we're just running through is showing you what the Harrop blower can do, and if you guys happen to have an oversized cam, we can probably make it work without changing the camshaft. We're going to show you the do's and don'ts, a few different things. This is an early model car, so this is an 07, 08. So there's some problems with the injector scaling and also very hard to put a fuel pump in it that works. So we've got a fuel pressure gauge on it, so we do things here properly. We make sure that the fuel pressure's right at idle. We check where it's going at top end as well, and that can change your tune. So what we'll do is we'll give it a whirl on the dyno and we'll show you before and after. Okay, pretty healthy, 494 rear wheel kilowatts. So that's what we can do if you already have a cam job or head and cam. We can basically still make your Harrop work with the big cams that probably aren't realistically if you're doing the project from scratch. What you show is some comparisons as well. Comparisons with camshafts, still a bigger camshaft, but we did one only a week ago and it was 505 rear wheel kilowatts, and people go, well, why did it make more power with a smaller camshaft? It's got to do with valve vents and letting and bleeding boost out. So what we had here with the green one was a camshaft with wider lobe separation, slightly smaller in the duration. And how we can show you and why it made more power is we'll go over here to the green run and we'll show you it was 175 kPa, and that's your boost pressure. And then versus the current one we did, and you're at 168. So there's about 5 to 7 kPa in difference. I'll get rid of some runs to make it a little bit clearer to see for you. Okay, so the difference up here that we're looking at here is in these two. And what we're also seeing, it's a little bit hard with road speed. These cars unfortunately have different tyres on, so I can't give you an exact torque figures and difference, but the one with the low lobe separation will probably make more hit in the mid-range, but it's a little bit hard to show you on that. But what it's definitely showing you, as we can see here, is with the lower lobe separation, we're bleeding boost. It's quite evident that we can see it all the way through here. Okay, so that's the difference in the camshaft. So people go, oh, why don't they work? Well, they can work. It's a matter of that you've got a certain ratio on. You've got a 75mm pulley on this combination we run. So you've only got a certain amount of mechanical drive, and what happens is the valves are still open. That actually makes its way out of the engine and is not basically recorded as a boost measurement. So that's why it's important and critical to have the right camshaft. We can still tune it. What we've done is we've altered the timing as well to pick up some of that power. So on different ranges we'd actually have less timing, but in certain ranges where the cylinder pressure was less, we would change that timing accordingly. So we can get a bit smart with it and make it work. So there you guys, if you're looking for a Harrop kit, give us a call. We can fit it. A lot of people like the look. It's horses for courses. We do Pro Chargers, we do twin turbos, we do Harrop kits. So we do it all. It all makes power in different spots. Any supercharged needs, turbo charge needs, or anything else you need, give us a call at Stray Speed, GM Asphalt. Thanks guys.